Alrighty, so this is Screencast-O-Matic, and you first are going to start by launching this recorder and also the editor if you want to edit any of your videos. Once you do that, you're going to get this little thing down here that's going to pop up where you can push start and pause. You can also control whether you cast your screen or your webcam or both. Right now I'm just doing my screen, so you can take this little box and you can actually move it around your screen. So I have 12 fun Spanish speaking games for language learners. So then you can kind of scroll down here, and I have a bunch of cool little things that you can use for games that I've actually been using in the class that I'm teaching right now at the college. I've played Taboo quite a bit, and my students really like that. I've also played this secret word game, which is really cool. So I can, screencast this and show everybody what I've been using, so that when I have to submit my lesson plans, I can show them where I get my information just by screencasting where I found everything and what I've been doing. And then I can also take you over here, and if I'm using this in a class, I could project all of the Spanish-speaking countries. So we have Mexico, and then across is Spain or España. And then we can kind of see how it works its way down from Guatemala to Honduras to Costa Rica, down the Panama Canal, and then down into Chile and Bolivia, Paraguay, Argentina, places like that, which is really cool. So then after I get done using this video, I would go back to my little Screencast-O-Matic, which is here, and I can decide that I'm going to save my video. So after I want to do that, I would pull up the editor, which is up here. Let's see if I can drag the screen. So then we could go up here to editor, and I would open the editor. All of your screencasts can be 15 minutes long. You can start and stop and cut them. You can also input emojis or pictures once you get to the editor, and so then you would just drag this little thing around to show whatever you want on your screen, and after that edit your video, and you could post it to YouTube and then submit the YouTube link to a Google Classroom.